Is there a particular Crip gang you see? Or do all the Crip gangs have a little stake in the action over there?
The biggest one is Grape Street, from what I see. But there's other gangs. There's Bounty Hunters, Roller 60s, Hoovers, Black Pete Stones. They all come in and they have to get the blessing to be able to work there. And once you get the blessing, pretty much as long as you play ball, you're good. You're good to go. The customers are aplenty. And why is Skid Row attracted to there? Because you have 108 programs to help people with a myriad of issues, particularly drug addiction, alcohol addiction, mental illness, chronic homelessness. So that's a perfect place. And here's what makes it so different is because Skid Row is centered. It's also adjacent to these cities like South LA, Inglewood, Compton, Watts, Long Beach, Carson, Pasadena. So those who are disenfranchised who come in who need those services are also followed by the individuals from those communities to prey on them. And it's a never-ending cycle until we start taking that seriously.